Today's foghorns are capable of running speeds of nearly 100 km per hour, although their modern predators are much slower. This extreme speed is a direct legacy of the ancient selection pressures these animals faced from the now extinct American cheetah. Similarly, the coordinated group hunting strategy of lions, especially when pursuing large prey, is thought to be a relic of the past. This behavior was once essential for taking down much larger and more powerful Pleistocene megafauna that no longer roam the earth. Good behavior represents adaptation that have persisted even though the vast threat have disappeared, and that's what's called a relic.